Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Search Console for SEO. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account. The first thing you can use in order to improve your SEO with Google Search Console is to first optimize your page CTR or click-through rate. First, go to full report or search result or the performance page. Now, it is better to filter with a longer date range if your Google search account has fewer data. For example, in this case, I will go with 6 months to have real data. Now, go to pages. Make sure to enable this average CTR in order to start seeing it here. Now look for pages with low CTR like this one, for example, and click on it. Now as you can see, the CTR is 2.3%. This means for every 100 impressions or people view this page on Google search results, only 2.3% clicks this page. And this lower click-through rate is due to my title. With this in mind, go to queries to only see the queries that these pages shows for. With that in mind, now what you need to do is to optimize the title of this page or just the title appearing on Google search results based or optimize it for these keywords. The second thing you can do is to optimize your nearly there keywords. With what I mean is that, for example, a keyword that your website shows up in the fourth position or lower, this is an easy keyword you can optimize your website for. And to get these keywords, make sure to check the average position. Now go back to this filter, check position, and filter it with greater than, for example, 4. As you can see, now I only see keywords where my website shows up in the fifth or below position in Google. Now let's order these keywords with the nearest position to 4. After ordering the position to start from the closest to the fourth position, as you can see, this is the easiest keyword I can optimize for. As you can see, my website already shows in the 4.2 position. What I can do is click on the keyword, go to pages, and this is the page that shows in the position 4.2. Now what I need to do is to optimize the on page by including more of this keyword or similar combinations of this keyword. And also, if this page have a backlinks from my website or elsewhere, I can edit the backlink text with something similar to this query or keyword. And this is how to optimize your SEO using Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.